These are the Fijian green-crested iguana. Their Latin name is Brachylophus vitiensis. The V coming from the band on their shoulders. They are on the same level as the panda bear in terms of extinction. Each of the islands do have them, but one of the problems, they're not swimmers, so DNA-wise and genetically speaking, they're all very specific to the islands. They got very excited when we found these and we did DNA samples because they realized that they thought the Malolo Island ones were extinct. One of the main reasons is their vegetation has been totally destroyed over the last 150 years. If you look at Galito, the island across here, Castaway, covered in trees.
Okay.
All of the islands in the Mamanuca should look like that. Okay. So the grass look that you see going along all the islands, it might look all lovely and what have you, but it's absolutely totally wrong. And over the last 150 years, the trees have either been cut down, burnt, and until they're tiny little pockets in little river valleys and what have you, where the old, and they call it dry forest, and it's one of the most endangered ecosystems on the planet. When they do surveys, they come in at night, the San Diego team come in at night, and they do it by torchlight, and because they sit right high in the trees, and the only thing you can see is their tummies, and that's how they do the surveys. And they've done surveys right throughout the Mamanuca, so the research on them is quite phenomenal, quite interesting. Well, San Diego Zoo and the Australian and the US government provide assistance, and also Taronga Zoo. Taronga Zoo actually did the first DNA testing, and that's when they got very excited and called me up and said, "Where are you? Where did you find this iguana?" You know, it was very exciting.
It's amazing.